Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have x cubed divided by x plus x is equals to 12, and we solve this problem for all the values of x, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move toward the solution of this problem, and here in the first step you see that in the denominator we have x is added by 3 times, so it will be written as 3 times of x is equals to 12. And further in the next step, we move the term 3 times of x from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes here in this form. This is x cubed equals to, we have 3 times of 12 becomes 36 times of x. And in the next step we move the term 36x from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will becomes x cubed minus 36x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And further we need to take common x from both of these two terms, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are x square minus 36, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 36, and this whole equation is equals to 0. This is the first root of the given equation, and from here we move minus 36 to the right hand side, and we get x square is equals to positive 36. And now for the other roots we will take square root on both of the sides, and this will be written as in this form. This 2 and this square root are gone, and we get x is equals to plus minus 6. We know that the square root of 36 becomes here plus minus 6. These are the other two roots of the given equation. So finally you see here we have there are three roots of the given equation: x equals to 0 and x equals to plus minus 6. So in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x cubed divided by x plus x equals to 12. So first we verify plus minus 6, and now here for this, here in this side we will be substitute x is equals to plus 6, and for the second value here we verify x is equals to minus 6. So we will be verify these two roots of the given equation. So now first we substitute x is equals to plus 6 into the left hand side of this equation, and it will be written as in this form. This is 6 cubed divided by 6 plus 6 equals to 12. And here we focus into the denominator terms. You see that 6 is added by 3 times, and it will be written as 6 cubed divided by 3 times of 6 is equals to 12. And further we have this 6 and this 6 are gone, and we obtain here 6 square divided by 3 is equals to 12. And now further we know about that 6 square becomes 36, and we move this 3 to the right hand side, and we get 3 times of 12 becomes here 36. So you see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the value x is equals to 6 is satisfied our given question statement. So here in the same pattern we need to verify the second values of x. So this is x equals to minus 6, and now we put x equals to minus 6 into the left hand side, and it will becomes minus 6 cubed divided by minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 is equals to 12. And further in the next step we have here you see that minus 6 cubed, and here in the denominator side we have minus 6 is added by 3 times, so we write it as 3 times of minus 6, and this is equals to 12. And further you see here this minus 6 is cancelled out by this 1 minus 6, and we obtain the remaining values are minus 6 square divided by 3, and this whole equation is equals to 12. And in the next step we have minus 6 square becomes positive 36, and 3 times of 12 becomes here positive 36. So we have these we you see that both of the sides are again equal. It means that the value x is equals to minus 6 is also satisfied our given question statement. So these are the these two roots be the solution of the given equation, but here we have remaining one root, that is x is equals to 0. And now in the next steps we verify our x is equals to 0 root. So for verification of x is equals to 0, we substitute x is equals to 0 into the left hand side of the given question statement. So it will be written as 0 cubed divided by 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equals to 12. And now we have 0 cubed becomes 0 divided by 0 plus 0 becomes 0 is equals to 12. So here you see that our left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or we usually call that it is indeterminate form, or we call that it is undefined form. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. And if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value x is equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we will be called that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. So this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of this problem is x is equals to plus minus 6. These are the two roots of the given equation, and this is our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.